All right, it's recording now. Thank you both for being here, Hannah and Evelyn. It's a smaller group today, but we'll still have some fun. To catch you up, Hannah, and also just everyone who is watching later, Evelyn and I were just talking about how fun this lessons challenge is. I was saying my oldest daughter is just starting out she's 6 and she's just starting the trophy cases. And I had forgotten that this challenge was starting, and she was practicing yesterday and she got 100% and got her ticket. And she was so excited. She was like, "Mom, what was that?" And I was like, "Oh, that's a ticket. You got a golden ticket for this challenge." And I explained how the challenge works, and she can showed her the leaderboard and how she can keep, moving up the leaderboard. And she was so excited by it. So she just kept playing and trying to get 100% on these because she just wanted those tickets. And every time she got one, her eyes just lit up and she was so excited. And she was excited before when she would just get her star. Like, when you get 100%, it gives you like, "Good job," and you get your star. She was excited about that, but it was way different this time when she got her ticket. And I don't know why, like psychologically what that does differently, but it's really amazing. And then Evelyn, do you want to go ahead and tell about your story of your grandkids?
Yes, I'm teaching my 9-year-old twin grandsons. And so yesterday I set up a Zoom meeting with them to show them this just trophy case thing. And so I showed it all to them. And one of them turned around and said, "Well, look, I'll do another one." He had already done 20. I mean, he'd already been in there working in it. So I guess that he was in working in the method or the technique, and he discovered what was going on, and he kept playing before I even showed it to him.
Yeah, that's amazing. So fun. So I'll share my screen real fast. We'll take a look at what this looks like. There was a bit of a change this year. Yes. Entire screen. Sure. All right, this should work. Can you guys see my screen? All right. So there was a change this year. We used to not have this in the library. It was just happening in the method, but there wasn't really a good way to announce that the challenge was going on. So they put it in the library this year as well. So you can either go into the method and go into your actual trophy case and work from there, or you can do it from the library. It's okay. You can do it from the library, and you see right here we have our leaderboard and the details about the challenge, which are always harder to find. And then we have the method right here. You open it up like a book, and it just opens straight into the method. And then you can go to the technique, and it'll open you up straight in there as well. So that is, I think, a really nice addition because it makes it easier for people to find the challenge.
We always look for the challenge in the library.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm happy about that addition myself. But okay, so my little one is a little clingy this morning, so I'm going to do the best I can, probably work on some level 1s since I only need one hand for that. But we'll go ahead and get started. You guys can either go into, a level that whatever level you want, or you can, we're talking lots, huh? Or you can go right down to level 1 like me and just knock out as many as you can. And I have 0 tickets. Evelyn, do you already have any tickets?
I have 260.
Wow.
Just a few tickets.
I don't have the electronic piano with me today.
Okay. What device are you using? Do you have an iPad or iPhone that you can use?
I have an iPad.
Then you should be able to play if you do microphone assessment, especially if you're doing the lower level ones.
With my acoustic piano?
Yes, with your acoustic piano.
Maybe.
Yeah. So you have to go. Sorry, I'm gonna have a hard time helping you right now, and Cammie's not here today. Let's see. Let's go ahead and get started, and then Hannah, I can go in a breakout room with you to help you get that set up. Okay.
Thank you.
I know. Let's see. Okay. We have It's 9:14, so we'll meet back at, or 9:14 my time, 10:14 Mountain Time. We'll meet back at 10:45 Mountain Time.
I might have to leave early too.
Okay, that's fine.
Maybe
So
after.
Evelyn, go ahead and get started. I will meet with you, Hannah, in a separate. There you are. All right. How many tickets did you get, Evelyn?
Well,
We were
I
wondering.
got, let's see. Ugh, I had it in my brain and then the cancel room frustrated me. I have 304.
Wow.
So I got 44.
Wow.
Wow,
Just like
44.
you.
That's
you
about.
did.
I guessed 45. So I was.
Really?
It's very
I
accurate.
figured you would have done more than one a minute. So I was guessing around 40 to 45. So I win if it's a guessing game. But I got one because I was trying to help Hannah. And then we figured out that she couldn't use the microphone assessment while we were on the call. It kept saying that her microphone was not available. We figured out it's because the microphone was being used for
It
the
was
call.
being
When she
used
got
by the
off the call, she could. So that's something to keep in mind if we do have a student that's using microphone assessment and we're on an online lesson, that's not going to work well. So that's something I hadn't thought of before, but it's a good thing to know.
Yes.
Yeah. But okay, well, that was fun. Thank you guys for coming
Thank
and
you so
playing.
much.
Yeah. And our next meeting together will be the 16th, September 16th, 2 weeks from now. And that will be a meeting on, or presentation, I suppose, on group games. And that will be by Cindy White. And she is fantastic with that sort of thing. She has a lot of wonderful games that she's come up with over the years. So that should be a great one. So
Wow.
hope to see you guys there.
Okay. Well, thank you for listening, Michelle.
Yeah, thanks for coming. All right, we'll see you guys later. Have a great
Nice meeting you all. Bye.
Bye.